Har du mycket minne kvar?
Trevor. Kilos. Big male might get up to closer to 300, but 220 to 250 is a good average.
And a female?
Female's about 100.
Lejonkungen. Så nära vi. Det är unga damer. Om det har varit killar har de ju haft mat.
If lions attack a buffalo that's part of a group and it calls for help, the group will help. So that what the lions have to do is try and get the nose and mouth clamped down. The inside marrow is very nutritious.
Antal nackkotor som en människa. Som är så här höga istället.
Alla djur hade ju det. How old were giraffe?
Giraffes live. She's here because they were calling. And I think the hyenas thought maybe she caught something and ran in here to have a look. But they haven't found anything. Affirmative.
Copy. Which channel is that?
Nothing yet, just got here. I thought the extra guys would be here already, but they haven't started out yet. They're on Bombay Link, Shonley Clearings.
Okay, take it to radio 423. Thank you.
And to confirm you've been called in because I was given a 2 earlier.
Is that one injured in a fire or is it? Which one?
It looks like a bullet.
The right hand side. Oh, that one. That's just beautiful to see.
Do they get old?
Around 60 years. Depends. Their life expectancy is limited by how well they look after their teeth. Huvudet är så jävla stort va? Awesome.
Vad still de här. De har pausat. Det är som en tavla.
Floppy ear that the baby's got seems to be a birth defect. Have that floppy ear for the rest of his life. And we'll be able to recognize him pretty easily as he grows up. Lions aren't usually that meticulous about cleaning themselves.
Rob, come in.